Hello everyone. Uh, this is Ida from ZHENXIN Metallurgical. Welcome to today's Facebook and YouTube live. Live. Either. Okay, I'm Ida, the host for today, and I'm very happy to see all of you joining. The weather here in China is getting colder now, but our foundry and steel industry remains hot as ever. Yes, today we will talk about two essential materials that make a big difference in cast iron production. Yes, the nodulizer and inoculant. Yes, and these two materials may not look impressive from the outside, but they are truly the hidden heroes behind this strong, clean, and high performance cast iron. Yes, over the next 1 hour, we will explore what exactly nodulizers and inoculants do, how they work inside molten iron, common mistakes and best practice, real cases from our ZHENXIN customers, and finally, how we ensure stable quality and fast supply of global buyers. Yes, so please stay with me and feel free to leave questions or comments anytime. I will be reading them and answering leave. Yes, welcome to leave your question and comments. So let's start from the basics. When we talk about cast iron, we are talking about an alloy of iron, carbon, and silicon. Yes, but what makes each type of cast iron different is how the graphite appears inside the metal. If graphite forms as thin flakes, the structure becomes weak and brittle. That's what we call gray iron. Yes, gray iron. But if the graphite forms as small surface, it acts like a shock absorbs inside the metal, giving much better strength and ductility. That's duct iron or nodular iron. So here's the magic. To make those graphite sulfurs appear, you need the right nodularizer and inoculant. They control how graphite grows, how it distributes, and how stable the final structure will be. You can think of them as the directors in a casting movie. They decide the shape and the role of every graphite particle. Yes, they decide the shape and the role. Uh, so first part, what is the nodulizer? What is the nodulizer? A nodulizer is added into molten iron before pouring. The promote spherical graphite formation. It usually contains magnesium, yes, magnesium, Mg magnesium, and sometimes rare earth elements, rare earth, such as thorium, thorium, lanthanum, lanthanum, yes, lanthanum, the rare earth elements. Wait a moment. Okay, and let's continue. So what's the main functions about the nodulizer? There are uh, three points. The first is it neutralizes impurities like sulfur and oxygen. Yes, and the second point, uh, or the second function is it creates conditions that allow graphite to grow in a round shape, and the third, I mean, the nodulizer can improve mechanical strength and impact resistance. Yes, that's the nodulizer. Those are the mainly functions of nodulizer. Yes, these three main functions. It's for the first neutralizes impurities and creates conditions and improves the mechanical strength. And at ZHENXIN, our company, we mainly supply ferrosilicon magnesium nodulizers. Yes, ferrosilicon magnesium nodulizers, also known as the rare earth silicon magnesium alloy. Yes, they are widely used in duct, duct, ductile iron pipes, automotive parts, and precision casting. Yes. Here we want to share some of the advantages of our product. The first, yes, the first is smooth reaction and minimal splashing during addition, and then stable magnesium recovery, ensuring consistent nodularity. Yes, and the third advantage is long lasting effect. Yes, long lasting effect, no early fading, and the last advantage is customizable magnesium content. Yes, to fit it can fit your furnace type. And our engineers carefully control the particle size and cooling process so that every granule reacts evenly when added to molten iron. For example, one of our is Inoculant used to pour sulfur 那个叫什么来着sulfurization because their nodulizer reacted too violently. After switching to ZHENXIN's it is yes our countries, but our company's low reactivity ferrosilicon mechanism Nodulizer. They achieved uh, over 19% sulfurization rate and reduced the scrape. Yes, and that's what we call stable quality, creating visible results. Yes, so that's about what is the nodulizer. Then I want to uh, then is the next step about next part about what is the inoculant. Yes, what is the inoculant? It's another key material in the foundry process. Uh, where the nodulizer decides the shape of graphite, the inoculant determines how much graphite forms and how evenly it's distributed. The inoculant is usually added after nodulization, just before pouring the molten iron into molds. It means rows promote graphite nucleation and refine the microstructure and prevent carbide formation. That is crucial for avoiding chilled arrest. Oh, sorry. It can prevent carbide formation. This is crucial for avoiding chilled errors. Yes, and the inoculant can improve fluid 那叫什么来着？fluidity 呃 fluidity, yes, improve fluidity of molten iron, and the inoculant also can reduce shrinkage, shrinkage defects and make the structure more uniform. Yes, these are the main rules of inoculant: promote graphite nucleation and refine the microstructure, prevent carbide formation, improve fluidity of molten iron, reduce shrinkage defects, and make the structure more uniform. So at ZHENXIN, our company, we offer several types of inoculant, such as silicon calcium inoculant, the most common general purpose type. Silicon barrel enhance graphite nucleation and reduce chill. And silicon ferrosilicon inoculant. Also, it's also the ferrosilicon and composite inoculant. Yes, composite inoculant. It's a multi uh, multi-element formula for maximum efficiency. All of our inoculants are low in sulfur and moisture, with precise granule sizes to ensure uniform dissolution. Dissolution. Yes. So, if you are interested in this inoculant, welcome to leave your question, leave your inquiry, or leave your comments to contact us, to contact with us. I also want to share another case for your reference. Yes, it's a customer from Turkey producing pampa housing used to suffer from chill formation in thin sections. After using our inoculant, the chill was completely eliminated. Yes, and their rejection rate dropped. That's a real improvement in production efficiency and cost saving. So um, don't hesitate. If you are interested in the inoculant, welcome to contact us. And the third part, how about the combining nodularizer and inoculant effectively. Yes. How about combining nodulizer and inoculant effectively? Using nodulizer and inoculant together is like a two-step uh, oxidro, uh, oxidro. Yes, performance just like using Nodulizer and inoculant together is like a two-step oxygen performance. The Nodulizer sets the tone, and the inoculant fine-tunes the melody. The melody. Yes, to get the best results, add the nebulizer before tapping. You lay in the lead bottle. Add the inoculant after magnesium reactions. Right before pouring. And control temperature properly. Too low or too high will both harm the effect. At our company, the ZHENXIN Metallurgical, we don't just sell materials, we provide a complete guidance. Yes. That's uh, that's why many countries in Southeast Asia and Middle East choose us to as their long-term partner. Yes. And the next part is about the quality, packaging, and logistic. Maybe if you are interested, please listen to my sharing. Yes. What that's also the that's also what many buyers care most about the stability and the logistics. Yes, all Zenshin products are ISO certified and strictly tested in our in-house library. Yes, each batch comes with a chemical analysis and a size report. We package in jumbo bags or 25 kilogram small bags inside, depending on your preference. And our warehouse keeps enough safety stock for fast shipment. Normally, uh, normally with 20 to 30 days after order confirmation. Yes, that's this delivery time is for the about one container. So if you need less or if you need more, welcome to uh, discuss with us about the delivery, the accurate delivery. And we have shipped to over uh, 20 countries, including India, UAE, uh, and many countries. Yes, if you want to know exactly, welcome to contact us. So, no matter the port, and we support Tianjin, Qingdao, or other Chinese ports, and we can handle customers and freight efficiently. Yes. So that's about the mainly productions. Let me check if there are any questions. Okay. Hello. Hello, Fiona. Hello, Peter. So, okay. Now, let's have a break. Let me share you our factory to for reference. Okay, then please allow me to introduce our company again with you. First, our company was established in 2007, yes, and we our main products are ferrochrome, silicon nitrate, ferrochrome nitrate, silicon manganese nitrate, ferromanganese nitrate, calcium silicon boron, Nodulizer, Inoculant, and other ferroalloys. And we have four sets of production lines for nitrate ferroalloys of 20,000 ton per year. The four sets of production lines for alloy cold wear for 30,000 ton per year. And the six sets of vacuum furnaces, 10 more than 10 sex furnaces for other purposes. And we have more than 15 years of supply experience in the China domestic market and more than 10 years experience in the international market. We have a rich experience in exporting to foreign countries such as India, Turkey, and South Korea, uh, Europe, the UAE, and so on. And we also have uh, subsidiaries, ZHENXIN Ferroalloy, Kalon Chemical, ZHENXIN Metallurgical, and other export company. Our product covers metallurgical materials, fine chemicals, energy, and other industries. If you need, of course, if you need ferroalloys, or if you are interested in ferroalloys, welcome to contact us directly. You can click our website to leave your message on our website, or send your inquiry email to us directly, or send your inquiry by WhatsApp. Whatever you can contact us, and when we notice your inquiry, notice your questions, we will reply to you as soon as possible. Yes, and you can click our official website to check our productions, our what we mainly supply, what ferroalloys we mainly supply, just like what I introduced before. The inoculants, the Nodulizer. Of course, we also supply the alloy cold wear, automized ferrosilicon, calcium cold wear, calcium metal, calcium silicon, and copper razor, the manganese metal, ferrochrome, nitride alloys, ferromanganese, silicon manganese, and other ferroalloys. Whatever you need, if you are interested in ferroalloys, welcome to try to inquiry to us, and we will reply to you. We will send the reply to you for reference. And okay, returning back to our topic is about the nodularizer and the inoculant. We just introduced our these productions about its brief introduction about its uh, its 那个叫啥 functions and advantages. Now let me introduce you again as a more comprehensive introduction. Yes. So Ferrosilicon magnesium is a ferrosilicon alloy added by magnesium, calcium, manganese, and rare earths. It always refers to ferrosilicon magnesium nodularizer. Yes, and the nodularizer is mainly used in the production process of separate uh, sapphire cast iron and uh, duct, ductile ductile iron. Yes, the function is to transform flake graphite into spherical graphite. The ferrosilicon magnesium nodularizer can significantly enhance the strength of cast iron. In addition, it also features the function of degas, 那个叫什么来着？The degasification. Yes, it also features the function of degasification, desulfurization, and deoxidation. Yes, the nodularizer is widely used in the metallurgy and the steelmaking industry. Among all the components in the ferrosilicon magnesium, the magnesium element is the one that serves the primary function of nodularization, directly affecting the ductile iron nodularizing result. Yes, and about the specification, we support customization. Yes, and you can share your detailed specification with us and to get price for reference. And now I also want to 这个没法分享。And you can also, if you are interested in the nodularizer, but you didn't have a space, specific specification, you can also contact us with a uh, specification for reference. Yes, and for the ferrosilicon magnesium, there specification for reference, such as the silicon content is higher than 44%. Yes, and the magnesium content is between 7 to 9 percent content. The magnesium content is between 7 to 9%. Yes, and the calcium is between 1 to 3. Yes, 1 to 3. 1 to 1 to 3. 1 to 3%. Yes, and the rare earth element is about yes 2 to 4%. Anyway, the detailed specification will come to contact us to get the detailed specifications for reference. Yes, and different for its for the nodularizer size, we support 10 to 50 millimeters. We also support the 5 to 15 or 1 to 5 millimeters. So different granule size can be customized as per the client's requirement. And again, about the application of ferrosilicon magnesium. It's because it's a common additive used in the steelmaking industry. In iron steel making, it is added as the Nodulizer, the Vermiculizer, and the Inoculant with strong mechanical strength. It works well in dioxidation and desulfurization. It can also be used as the alloy agent for refining the oxidation, denaturation, and neutralization of harmful impurities. Yes, with a lower melting point. By solid solution alloying the ferrosilicon magnesium can help to form new metal compounds with the impurities to uh, purify the steel. And why choose our ferrosilicon magnesium? Yes, why choose ZHENXIN ferrosilicon magnesium? I want to share the reasons for you. The first, our company, the ZHENXIN Ferroalloy, is located in Anyang City, where is the base of ferroalloy production. Ferroalloy manufacturers gathers here, and the customers can find the ferroalloy products they need here, with policy support and convenient transportation. The price of ferroalloy products here is competitive. And ZHENXIN Metallurgy specializes in the production of nodulizers, which can produce magnesium 3 to 8%, 5 to 8%, 7 to 8%, and partial size 5 to 5 to 30 millimeter, 5 to 25 millimeter, and the product specifications and the granularity can be customized according to customer requirements. And our company has rich experience in export and has several long-term cooperations with experienced freight forwarders. Professional franchise salesmen provide you with uh, online service. We can provide customers and we can provide customers with factory inspection reports. Also introduce SGS, BV, AHK, CCIC, and other third party testing. If you want to get the inspection, the uh, COA or test result of the third part testing. Welcome to leave your inquiry on our website or the comments to get the test result for reference. Okay, that's about the Nodulizer introduction. Okay, uh, introduction. Hmm, Let me check the element the 那叫什么评论 comment. Hello Tina. Yes, thank you. Have a nice day. Hello Mia. 啊，卡了。连接软件可以直播，这也没结束啊。 Okay, that's Nodulizer. Then the thing. Let me introduce the inoculant again. Let me comprehensively, comprehensively introduce the inoculant again. During the production of casting iron and graphite ions, there is a crucial step called inoculation. Inoculation helps to improve the mechanical property of the iron. To complete the inoculation process, several additives must be added. These additives are called the inoculant. Yes, and the function of inoculant is to improve the nucleation ability of the graphite and to stabilize the solidification of the iron. Although the amount of inoculant added is very small, they have a large impact on the inner structure of the iron. To be specific, the inoculant is used to avoid or reduce the chilling phenomenon, avoid excessive cooling, increase the nucleation, and distribute the graphite structure in an even way. The main forms of the inoculant in the practice. The available types of inoculant on the market are in either granule form or stuffed in a wire or pressed in different shapes. On product weight, the main types of inoculants are ferrosilicon, silicon calcium, and silicon calcium and silicon calcium added with another element, such as silicon barium calcium. Yes, for the silicon calcium, it's a common type of inoculant. It also can be used in other applications, such as Nodulizer and Disaverizer or warming agent. When it is used as inoculant in the process of production of cast iron, in addition to dioxidation and purification, the silicon calcium alloy also plays a role in inoculation, helping to form fine grained or spherical graphite. It can increase the silicon distability and improve the quality of cast iron. If you are interested in silicon calcium inoculant, welcome to inquiry. Leave your inquiry. Yes, or click our website 22 page of silicon calcium. And then the next is about ferrosilicon inoculant. The ferrosilicon inoculant is formed by crushing the ferrosilicon into small pieces and filtering through a certain mesh or sheet. It's a cheap substitute for expensive inoculants and nodulizers. So if you want to uh, get to know more about ferrosilicon inoculant, you can also click our website and turn to the ferrosilicon page. We have introduced it in details. And then about the silicon barium calcium. Silicon barium calcium is a new type of dioxidizer in steelmaking, and it has good destabilization and phosphorus ability. It plays a very important role in the smelting of steel with low sulfur and phosphorus. It has a wide range of applications in small steel systems prospect. For the specification of silicon barium calcium, for example, the silicon content higher than 50%. The barium is lower than 15%, and the calcium about 10%, and the carbon content about 0.4%. If you have the detailed silicon barium calcium, welcome to contact us to get a price for to get a quotation for reference. And then about the ferrosilicon barium alloy. The silicon barium inoculant is mainly used for the inoculation of duct 我老是读不准这个音儿。The ductile iron and gray castor iron liquid. The silicon barium inoculant strongly increases the graphitization curve, refines the graphite, promotes the A-type graphite in the gray iron casting, and improves the strength. For the ductile iron casting, it can make the graphite in the ductile iron fine, round, and improve the severodization grade. And the strong resistance to decline while preventing the associated severodization decline. The wall thickness is less sensitive, and the organization is uniform, significantly reduce the tendency of white moss, reduce the relative hardness, and improve the cutting performance of casting. It's used as an inoculant and several dizzying agent in the cast iron industry. For its specification, you can also turn to page the silicon barium, the inoculant, to get more. Okay. It's about the inoculant. If you want to get more detailed, or if you are interested in this production, welcome to leave your inquiry and let me talk about this production. We will send the quotation for you as soon as possible. Well, we notice your inquiry. Okay, now have a breakfast. Let me watch our new video again. Okay. Uh, then I want to this part I want to share our most popular production with you. Yes, that's nitrate ferrochrome. You can see the uh, pro, you can see the manufacturing process in you could see the producing process in the videos just now, and now I want to introduce our nitrate ferrochrome with you. A brief a brief introduction maybe. So, ferrochrome nitride is also called um, is also called nitride ferrochrome. It's a ferroalloy material mainly composed of nitride. Yes, it's also possible to generate a compound nitrides uh, of nitrides 好复杂。The main factor of affecting its phase composition are nitrating medium and nitrating temperature. The main use of ferrochrome nitride is to produce corrosion resistant and other special nitrogen containing steel. For its features of ferrochrome nitride, the first is stable nitrogen content, high density, high alloy absorption rate, melting point about 700 degrees Celsius, and the ferrochrome nitride can partially replace nickel elements and reduce the production cost. You can also click our website and turn to the nitrate ferrochrome to find the SGS test report of nitrate ferrochrome and about its chemical component of ferrochrome nitrate. Let me, for example, the chrome is higher than 60%. The nitrogen content is higher than 3%. 3 to 4% is okay, and the carbon content just like the low carbon ferrochrome content. Its carbon uh, about 0.03% or 0.1% and 0.06%. For its silicon content, it's about 1 to 2%, and the phosphorus and sulfurous phosphorus P and S content about 0.04%. And those chemical composition also can be customized. If you have inquiry about nitrate ferrochrome, welcome to share your specification with us. Then I will reply to you about its quotation as or other production information. About its application of ferrochrome nitride. It's widely applied in electric furnace and oxygen converts to smelt nitrogen-bearing steel. As a kind of alloy material, it plays a key role in the smelting and production of special steels such as stainless steel, heat-resistant steel, and corrosion-resistant steel, alloy steel, and so on. Nitrogen is an acetate 这个怎么说？这怎么回事？Acetate forming element. It's added as a component of chrome manganese and chrome manganese nickel stainless steel to replace the shortage of nickel. Research shows the roles of nitrogen in expanding the acetate region is about 30 times that of nickel. At present, adding nitrogen to the production of nickel-containing uh, stainless can partially replace the precious metal nickel and bring considerable economic benefits. Also, nitrogen can make steel have high strength and high corrosion resistance, and can maintain the plasticity of steel at a good level. China and India as the largest producer of nitrogen corrosion-resistant steel. The production of this type of steel continues to increase and currently accounts for 10% for the total global steel production. Yes, that's about uh, for silicon nitride information. That's some information. A brief introduction. Introduction. Okay, and now we will end the lead. Uh, if you have a okay, now it's and okay. That means okay. Then thank you for watching today. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and follow our page for more live season. So next time, let's see you next time. Let's see you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Have a great day.